Is your cat snoring? While it may be cute, it can also be a sign of an underlying health issue. Snoring in cats can be caused by a variety of factors, including respiratory problems, obesity, and allergies. If your cat is snoring, it's important to take them to the vet for an evaluation and diagnosis. Your vet may recommend diagnostic tests such as blood work, X-rays, or a CT scan to determine the underlying cause of your cat's snoring. Treatment options for snoring cats depend on the underlying cause and may include medications, lifestyle changes, or surgery. In some cases, snoring may be a sign of a serious condition such as sleep apnea, so it's important to seek veterinary care promptly. It's important to monitor your cat's breathing rate and overall health, and seek veterinary care if you notice any changes in their behavior or symptoms. Keeping your cat at a healthy weight and providing a clean environment can help prevent respiratory problems and snoring. With proper diagnosis and treatment, many cats with snoring issues can go on to live happy and healthy lives. Providing your cat with a healthy diet and plenty of water can help prevent dehydration and respiratory problems. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to correct underlying anatomical abnormalities that are causing your cat's snoring. If your cat's snoring is severe or accompanied by other symptoms such as coughing or wheezing, it's important to seek veterinary care promptly. With proper care and attention, you can help your cat live a happy and healthy life, even if they experience snoring or other respiratory symptoms. By working closely with your vet and monitoring your cat's respiratory health, you can help ensure that they receive the best possible care and support.